So, two handhelds built around the same processor, AMD's new Ryzen Z2 Extreme. One is the Lenovo Legion Go 2, which has been highly anticipated for months. The other is the Claw A8, MSI's more powerful AMD-powered successor to their first handheld. While both use the same chip and aim to outperform each other, what is it really like to use them? How's the ergonomics, battery life, and just how comfortable are these devices for everyday gaming? The Claw looks sharp, with bright green accents and slimmed-down grips compared to its predecessor. It feels bold, but not everyone may love the styling. One thing I do like is these RGB rings around the sticks and the back macro buttons. The Legion Go 2 is larger, heavier, and more versatile. The detachable controllers set it apart, and the right controller doubling as a mouse is still a clever trick. Ergonomics are controversial. To some users, it may feel big after long sessions, but most agree it's comfortable once you adjust. The best way to play it is to rest it on a table or your lap. A8 comes with an 8-inch 1920 by 1200 display at 120Hz with VRR. Solid, sharp, but IPS only. The Go 2 has an 8.8-inch at 144Hz with VRR. Resolution is the same, but it's OLED. It's brighter, more vibrant, and smoother. Due to the higher refresh rate, it is smoother, but it's not so good for the battery. Both the Go 2 and the Claw A8 run on the same Z2 Extreme chip, so on paper, performance should be almost identical. In reality, though, cooling, RAM, and design give Lenovo a bit of an edge. The Legion Go 2 comes with up to 32GB RAM, compared to 24GB on the Claw A8. That extra memory helps in heavier multitasking and newer AAA titles where memory really matters. Lenovo's cooling solution is also more efficient, letting it sustain higher TDP levels for longer without throttling. So while the raw numbers aren't night and day, in practice, games in Go 2 feel smoother and more consistent under load. Claw A8 still performs really well. At mid-range TDPs, it keeps up with the Go 2, but push it any harder and you start hearing those fans. That extra noise is one of the most common complaints. Performance is strong, but it may not feel as refined as Lenovo's setup. Now, as for the battery, this is where Claw pushes ahead. With an 80-watt-hour battery and AI engine mode, the Claw A8 typically lasts a bit longer than the Legion. Go 2's 74-watt-hour pack. Expect around 2.5 to 3 hours on the Claw at mid-settings, compared to roughly 1.5 to 2 hours on the Go 2. As I said before, that OLED at 144Hz looks incredible, but it comes at the cost of shorter runtime. The software experience is totally different in these two. On the Claw A8, you get Center M. It's simple, stable, and one of the easiest handheld UIs to live with. AI-driven tuning adjusts performance on the fly, and most users say it just works without needing much tweaking. It doesn't overwhelm you with options, and that reliability is a big reason people prefer it. The Go 2, on the other hand, runs Legion Space. It's more ambitious, feature-rich, and full of customization. But it also comes with more hiccups. Glitches, occasional crashes, and a need for a steady stream of updates to patch things up. Xbox full screen experience is confirmed to be coming to the Go 2 in around spring 2026. So we have to wait and see how that works out. So that's how it is with Claw A8 and Legion Go 2. Same chip, different approach. What are your thoughts in this regard? Please let me know in the comments and we will talk it out there.